one of Dr. Bojnik's student externs, and I have one of his patients here today. So this patient had LASIK surgery done in the year 2000, and as a result suffered with corneal ectasia in both eyes. He suffered with severe dry eyes, and his vision wasn't great afterwards. You also went to previous ophthalmologists that have given him dry eye drops to try and help with that, and now he's seeing Dr. Bojnik, and he fitted him with the EyePrint Pro lenses. How's your vision been since being fitted with those lenses?
Well, we went through a few iterations of the EyePrint Pro lenses. Started off, pretty darn good, but the current lenses, bring me to 20/20 in both eyes from, sort of unmeasurable in my left eye. So it's, you're talking about something that, that with glasses, can't get to, 20/200.